Hey guys, it's me, Jet, and today I'm playing with my friends Mason, Emmett, and Jet. Wait, no, that's me. I'm Jet. Why would I say my own name? Mason, say hi to YouTube. Emmett, say hi to YouTube.
Hi, I've been talking for about 18 hours, and I'm pretty sure that's the whole night.
There. There you go. Oh no, I just got stomped on. Someone stomped me.
Do they even know what you're playing yet?
Oh yeah, and today we're going to be playing some Titan Simulator.
Well, I'm not. I'm playing other electric vegetables.
What? What are you playing?
I'm playing other electric electric vegetables.
Oh my god, I died! Oh, you did die.
That's what I'm
You guys can check my YouTube channel out. It's called Jet Sankya.
That's your name, Jet.
Yeah, I like doing my name as my YouTube account. Jetty Woody Dutchich plays Roblox. At first, my friend that's Mason, well not this Mason that I'm FaceTiming right now, he thought my account was Jeffy plays Roblox.
That is your account.
No, it's Jetty, not Jeffy. You little stink spider! You're playing Little Life Simulator. What you do in this game anyway?
Hello?
Hey Mason,
Yeah.
what you do in this game anyway? Just roleplay, kill, marry?
Oh, that.
Then what you do?
You just go to school. I tried to break into people's houses.
I have a stroller. Anyone want to be my daughter or son?
I want to be your doggy.
Okay, I'm just gonna find you. Because I'm gonna try to find you. It's like hard to record in. Oh, there's vehicles! Yay! Wait, no, I already played this game. $10? I only have 5. Heck no. Oh, hi, Emmett. Say hi to you two. You're gonna be popular, even though I only have 14 subscribers.
Bro, yes, wait.
It's only 14.
Hi,
No.
guys. I'm your new TV. I'm your guys' new TV. Hi, Jet. You like my new bed?
Hey, yay, we get to watch TV outside now, because I don't want to go inside. Hey, Mason, I wanted you to be my TV. Be my TV, now.
My new avatar.
Ah! Stroller fight. Stroller fight.
Ah! Oh!
Oh my god.
We're going to go around. Okay, so get in. What are you doing? Get back here!
Yeah, stroller fight, stroller fight, stroller fight. Get stroller fight, you kidnapped me. What are you doing? I don't know, man.
I just put that guy in nobody's house.
Oh my god, he's stuck. I'm gonna save you.
No, stop! Jet, come on. Get in my shoulder.
Okay. I can't.
Where do I get him?
I don't speak Spanish, but I'm just gonna say hola. Eh. Mason, you dropped me.
Play a different game. He's in mine and looks like yeah. Yeah.
Do you guys want to play Bee Swarm Simulator?
Never! Bloxy Town. No, I don't. Huh?
La trolls.
Why?
I can barely hear Emmett.
I don't know, but he sounds scared. Is he inappropriate? Yes, if you join me, you can avoid me. Yes, free clothes for the
What are you guys playing?
Oh yeah, that game was. Yeah, I'll never forget. I got a good game. I got a good game. What about that Ninja Parkour game where we met?
Okay. Do you become a parkour ninja?
Yeah, that's. Do you want to play Final Stand? No. Yes.
What do you mean, brother? Brother, what do you mean?
Real bad.
I'm in the game. I'm in the game.
No, I'm playing Escape the Minion.
Escape the minion? You little stinking little fat liar. What did I even say?
You said you little stinking fat liar. Ah!
This was good. Ugh.
And I remember this game. Remember those invisible Rubik's Cubes? They made it so now you can see it.
What are you guys even playing?
Remember, Emmett?
What are you guys playing?
We're playing it up. This is too easy.
Easy weasy, like it peasy. I don't even know if I should do it. Bad boss. Yeah, that is bad boss. Gru is a stinking little tall liar.
Emmett, wait!
Whoa.
I'm right here, don't leave me.
Oh my god. Ow!
Maybe I understand you,
Ow! I hit a pipe.
okay, pardon me.
Ooh! just want face first.
Ah!
Whee! This is fun! Oh! Oh my gosh! Whee! Please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't! Whoa! Please don't, please don't, please no! Well, that's too bad! Whee! Wow, we are... Oh my god!
Why is this so
Ugh. I just like getting smacked.
like that?
What bully thing?
Remember we got bullied? What is it? Batman? Which video game?
Man, I'm a boss! Did you know that? Bang! Oh, whoa, whoa. Ah! Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I died.
It's this!
Da da da, gru! Wah, 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 no! How do they not even notice? No! No, 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 no! I don't run fast. I ran into a minion. There.
Yay!
Oh, great! Now I'm running! Yay! Oh. What?
This one! I completed it!
No, Snow Pro!
I can't.
Slowpoke, slow bro, slow king!
Yes!
What?
You're talking way too loud.
Oh no! That's way too sad. Whoa, I did not even see that. Whoa. Please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. Please don't hit me.
Yes, what's the password?
I don't know.
Okay, fine.
Let's go over here. Oh. Hey Mason, did you tell me how I died? Ah!
This is too hard of a dance.
Woo! Wrong button. Yeah.
This is hard.
Woo! 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 I need help. I got stuck. That was way too far. Woo!